Hey everybody, it's Kyla, and today we're reading Bird and Squirrel on the Edge, part 1 of many. So let's start. Bird and Squirrel on the Edge. Are we home yet? Not yet. How about now? Nope. How much further? The only thing standing between us and home are these mountains. 1 second. Home, back to my cozy bed, my comfy chair, my... Ah! What's wrong? What? It's all going to be covered in dust. It's just a little dust. It's not going to kill you. Do you know what happens when things are covered in a little dust? I'm going to guess nothing. Nothing really? Oh, you, my friend, you have no idea. Let me tell you what happens when things are covered in a little dust. You sneeze. Achoo! A lot. Achoo! So much, in fact, you lose control, stumble around the house in a fit, achoo, achoo, until you fall out a second-story window, achoo, and die. Death by dust, you're really afraid of everything. It's not easy being me. What's that? It's probably just the wind. Something is in trouble. We have to go back. Go back? What about the dust? That bear cub is in trouble. Maybe they're just playing? We should probably head on home and take care of that dust. 2 against 1? That's not fair. I don't think we should interfere. Maybe... I'm sure its mother will be along any minute. Let me see if you can get them to leave. If not, hit them with... Let me see if I can get them to leave. If not, hit them with as many pine cones as you can. We can't go home until we get rid of these wolves. I was afraid you were going to say that. Have no fear. Bird and Squirrel are here. You boys might want to skedaddle. Make like a tree and leave. They're not leaving. On to plan B. I really don't think this is a good idea. Hey, you're supposed to hit them, not me. Oops, sorry. Oh, hello, flea brain. Looking for a bite to eat? I know, just the thing. Bon appetit. Whoa. Sorry. Hit the wolves, not the bear. It's time to send these wolves on their way. Deep breath, focus. Visualize the pine cones hitting the wolves. That will teach you to mess with poor defenseless bear cub. And tell the rest of your pack to stay away too. Who turned off the sun? Bird, are you okay? Please don't be dead. Please don't be dead. Yes, he has a heartbeat. And he's still... Yes, he has a heart, and it's still beating. Yeah! Too close. You're in my personal space. Ew. Gross. You're free to go to your mama. She's probably looking for you. Go on. What? I can't take care of you. I don't know anything about bears. I can barely take care of myself. Go on, go. What am I supposed to do now, bird? What if the wolves come back? They'll eat us alive. They'll tear us limb from limb. Why won't you wake? Why won't you wake up? You know what? You know what? I don't need your help. I can get us out of here. You wait and see. I got this. Almost there. I did it. I did it. Let's go. Home. I give up. Alright, fine. You can come with us, but no licking. And you have to do what I... Oh. Which part of no licking do you understand? One second. Okay. Pictures. Show off. I'm a wild animal. I should be able to survive in the wild, right? Oh, seriously? No looking. Your mouth is filled with all kinds of bacteria. It's just not sanitary. I had to My mouth was open. I'm going to be sick. I really need to be... I'm really starting to rethink this whole bear thing. Splash. Yep, I'm definitely a lapse in judgment on my part. You know it. You can wake up anytime, perfectly before that bear drives me nuts. Go ahead, look away. That's what he gets for turning around. I could be sitting in my cozy chair right now if it weren't for... Don't let that thing eat me. Huh? Bird, you're not afraid of bear cubs. Who's the bird? You are. What's a bird? Is it dangerous? You're a bird. You have wings. You love to fly. You're not afraid of anything. What's that? What is that? I'm nuts. That pine cone I hit you with must have bungled your brain. Why did you hit me with a pine cone? Were you trying to kill me? What? Never mind that. We'll sort this all when we get home. Let's fly over there. Fly? You know, when you flap your wings like this and we fly around up there? Do you know this guy? I'm Squirrel. We're best friends, remember? We have a theme song. Here's a little song about bird and squirrel, bird and squirrel. Two best friends named Bird and Squirrel. I'm Squirrel, and you're a bird. Bird and squirrel, bird and squirrel, bird and squirrel. Well, that's not a very good melody. If we were best friends, why did you hit me on the head with a pine cone? That was an accident. You see, we were on our way home when we turned around to save the sparrow from being eaten by wolves. I was throwing pine cones at the wolves. What are wolves? They're like dogs, but bigger. And scarier, and a whole lot meaner. Like them. Nobody move. They will attack us. Unless we... Run! Grab... Whoa! Get back, get back! We're going to die! This is supposed to be my line. And that is the end of part 1. Well, I'll see you next time on Book Buddies. Bye.